Z Fold 7 is a genuine game changer for Samsung. They're altering everything on Z Fold 7, and the new appearance has been confirmed. We knew Samsung was planning to alter both the inner and cover display on the Z Fold 7, but there was no photograph showing off the Z Fold 7's display. However, on Twitter, we discovered both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 inner display and cover display, which makes a big difference. This is the difference between the Z Fold 7 and the Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a substantially broader cover display than the Z Fold 6, and it is also larger in total size. Also, whether you see it or not, the bezel size on Z Fold 6 has been reduced, which is another advantage over 7. The hinge design has also been reduced, making the Z Fold 7 seem more like a regular phone than a folding phone. When we turn to the inner display, we can see the true difference. It now has an 8-inch display, up from 7.6 inches in Fall 6. Samsung just released a tiny tablet. This is one of the largest folding phones on the market. Obviously, significantly less than the Apple Financial 5. However, Samsung altered the inner display. The bezels are very tiny. I'll give you the precise number later in the movie, but this is what we all wanted, and Samsung delivered. The hinge is another key feature we can expect to see in this year's foldable phone. Nobody is talking about it, but an inside source confirmed it. You'll be startled by the hinge on a Z Fold 7. The hinge on Fold 7 will be more robust than the Z Fold 6. However, it has not yet been confirmed if Samsung would go for IP68 water and dust resistance. Samsung is also breaking records with the thickness of its Z Fold 7. Samsung has kept with the same design for the previous several generations, providing us with the same cover display and inner display. But things have changed. I'll provide the display dimensions later. Samsung made a significant change with the inner display bezels. According to a Twitter user, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's inner screen bezel is narrow. The illustration shows a Z Fold 6, and the width of the bezel indicated by the arrow is 1.9 mm. The Fold 7 is directly dried to 1 mm, while the Z Flip 7's outside screen bezel is likewise exceptionally narrow at 1.2 mm. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.